For Airbus, 2021 was a year of recovery, a year of transition, a year of leadership. People began flying again in greater numbers. Aerospace reminded the world what it had been missing, and our sector embraced the path to net zero. We learned to live with complexity. We adjusted to new ways of working, socializing, and managing family life. In an evolving market, we won orders for our fuel-efficient aircraft and launched the A350 freighter. Our defense and space businesses made us proud, monitoring our planet, protecting people, saving lives, and defending the values we stand for. Helicopters had an outstanding year. The H160 Guépard was launched, and the next generation of City Airbus was unveiled. The Airbus Summit in September brought the industry together for the first time in 2 years and deepened the necessary cooperation for a decarbonized future for air travel. As we begin 2022, Airbus is confident that our path to the future is the right one. We will succeed through transformation, keeping safety and quality at the heart of all we do, changing as a company, learning new skills and building fresh alliances, investing, innovating. We will pioneer the sustainable future of aerospace with confidence, with humility, together as Airbus.